Hello and welcome to My Low Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. With summer here, a lot of us are planting backyard gardens, and with our backyard gardens we're having zucchini harvest. And one of the things that everyone loves to make with our zucchini is homemade zucchini bread. Now today we're going to go make a variation of that with our chocolate zucchini bread. Let's go ahead and bake some. To make our chocolate zucchini bread, we'll need 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cups white sugar, 3 eggs, 1 cup vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 cups shredded zucchini, 1 cup chopped walnuts, and 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. First, let's go ahead and start off by shredding our zucchini. You can either shred your zucchini with a hand shredder like this one, or if you have a food processor or a KitchenAid with a food processing attachment, you can go ahead and use that. Okay. These pieces here, I'll go ahead and throw into my compost bin and save that for our compost for later. We'll go ahead and get our KitchenAid ready. Okay, and there we have our shredded zucchini. I'll go ahead and pour that into a cup. Okay, 2 cups worth of shredded zucchini. Next, we'll go ahead and put our 3 cups of flour into our bowl. One, 2, 3. To our 3 cups of flour, we're going to add our dry ingredients. So we'll go ahead and put in our cinnamon, our baking soda, our baking powder, and our salt. Go ahead and mix that all together. And let's add our cocoa, 1/4 cup of cocoa to it. Next, let's go ahead and add our 2 cups sugar and our eggs together. We'll put those eggs into our compost bin. And give that a quick mix. Once that's mixed, we'll go ahead and add our oil and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I like to use homemade vanilla extract here. If you want to learn how to go ahead and make the vanilla extract, there is a link at the bottom of this video you can go ahead and click on to see how we made that. And we'll go ahead and give that a quick mix as well. Once the oil and vanilla have been mixed in, we want to go ahead and add in our zucchini. So there goes our 2 cups of zucchini. And we'll go ahead and turn the mixer back on. After giving the zucchini a good mix in, we're going to go ahead and add in our flour. And go ahead and give that a mix now. And the last item to add in is going to be 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. There we go. And then we'll give that one more quick stir. Now this mixture has enough to go ahead and do 2 loaf pans of bread, or you can go ahead and do 24 cupcakes. Me, I like to go ahead and do 1 loaf pan and 1 12 cupcake pan. With your loaf pan, you want to make sure that you go ahead and spray that with some nonstick cooking spray, and then go ahead and flour that as well real quick here, just so that the bread doesn't stick to the pan. So make sure you get that flour in there evenly. Okay, now we're done flouring our pan. Bread mixture into the pans. Okay, first I'll go ahead and fill up our cupcakes. One big serving spoon into each cupcake should do. And lastly, for the bread pan, I'm going to go ahead and put in an optional ingredient, which is walnut pieces on top of the bread. And this is up to you how much you want to put in, but generally put a handful, which is about somewhere between a 1/4 cup and a 1/2 cup of walnuts. It's just a nice topping for the bread. And then we're going to put those in our preheated oven. Our oven should be preheated to 350 degrees, and the cupcakes will cook for 25 to 30 minutes, with the bread cooking for 50 to 55 minutes. Okay, there we have our cupcake pan and our bread pan, and we'll be back to check those when they're done. And our chocolate zucchini bread is done. It looks great. I'm very excited to go ahead and try and eat some of this. Thanks for joining us today to make chocolate zucchini bread. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.